Cover drive is one of the most exciting shots to watch, especially left-handers. It's amazing. In today's video, I will teach you 5 different steps to help you to master the cover drive. And if you stick till the end, I'll teach you about 6 different drills which will help you to get better at cover drives. So welcome to RBP Cricket Online, your channel for amazing cricket videos, lots and tips and techniques to take your game to the next level. To help my audience, I'm making these videos available in other 2 languages, which is Hindi and Kannada. So if you are comfortable in those languages, I'll put the links in the description. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please don't forget to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos. So which ball do you play cover drive to? You play a cover drive to a ball which is pitched just outside the off stump and in a fuller length, and in some cases you also played a cover drive to a ball which is rising up, but that's a little risky. Once you get a hang of it, I know you're sure you can do this. Before playing a cover drive, you have to take care of 2 important things. One is your stance and the second is your batting grip. These are very important, not just for cover drive, for any shots. I've made a detailed video on these 2 topics, so please watch those videos. The links are there in the description. Let's understand the 5 simple steps to play the cover drive. The first step is moving your leg towards the line of the ball. So though I said moving your leg, it's your head and your shoulder should do the first movement. Okay, that's how you start moving. Your leg and any part of your body will follow the head. The second step in playing a cover drive is you have to transfer your weight onto your front leg by bending your front knee. When you bend your front knee, you make sure that your weight is transferred, and that weight you will use it to put some energy on the ball. The third step is make sure your back leg is on its toe, pointing upwards and sideways. Okay, now why upwards and sideways is because when you point your toe upwards, that means all your weight will be on front leg, and why sideways is because if heel is sideways, you will always be in sideways position, which will ensure you to swing the bat freely. That's the third point. The fourth point is make sure you hit the ball under your eyes. Okay, always make sure that you play the ball under your eyes, and that's how you can get more control over the ball. So the fifth point is nothing but finishing off the bat. You can finish the bat by pointing at the ball which side the ball went, or you can just check drive finishing upon your shoulders. It's personal preference. So these are the 5 different steps you have to follow in playing a cover drive. Whenever you play a cover drive, please be mindful of these 5 basic common errors which most people do, so that you don't repeat. The first is not playing under your eyes. So what happens if you don't play under your eyes is, if you play away from your body, the chances of hitting more in the air. The second common mistake is keeping your leg too close to the ball. So if you keep your leg too close to the ball, the chances are you will not be able to swing your bat freely. So the third mistake is, a commonly found mistake is head falling over. So if your head falls away from the line of the ball, you will not be able to control the shots. And the fourth commonly mistake is always keep your hands close to your body. If you keep it away from your body, you will not get the proper swing of the bat and you will lose control over the shots. And the fifth and the last common mistake you should avoid doing is trying to hit the ball very hard. See, remember, cover drive is all about elegance, timing. So don't try to hit it hard. Just time it well and it will go wherever you want it to go. You learned about the cover drives, you learned about the different techniques, you also learned about the common mistakes which people do. Now, let's understand how you can become master at cover drive. Here are the 6 different drills which will help you to become awesome at playing cover drive. The first one is the cone drill. You can place a cone and take your stance, take your batting grip and start hitting the cone. This is your first drill that you can follow. If you don't have a cone, you can use a plastic bottle as well. The second one is rolling the ball. So what you do is ask your friend to roll the ball towards you. It's very effective because it will help you to time the ball better. So that's your second drill. The third drill is Once you become better at the rolling ball, next you ask your partners to do it bounce 2 or 3 times. Remember, it has to be 2 or 3 times bounces, which will help you to understand your timing of your movement. So do it in 2-3 bounces. That's your third drill. The fourth drill is, once you get comfortable with 3 bounces, ask your partner to do throwdowns. So he will just do the normal, some bowler bowls, and wherever it pitches, it's like a normal pitch. So he pitches it over there and you play a cover drive. The other drill in this is ball drop. So ask your partners to drop the ball from a distance and you hit it right when it's rising up. You can also do it with 2 bounces. It's your choice. One more drill in this is chin drop. What you can do is, since nobody is there to help you, what you can do is put your ball under your chin somewhere here and take your batting stance and just let it go and you hit it. So this is your another drill. So practice these drills. It's a very, very effective drills, and it will help you, definitely help you to become better at playing cover drives. That's all, my friends. Thank you for watching till the end, and if you like the video, please share it and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions, always put it in the comments and always reply to them. So please wait for my next video and stay safe. Bye bye.